Okay guys, so as you saw in the last video, I kind of a little bit broke the power hammer. Just a little bit. But I fixed it. Well, I didn't fix it. A guy named Jeremy did. Will Stelter gave me his name and number. I called him. I took him the pulley. He fixed it. So I am going over to go get it now, and then going to Ace to get all the nuts and bolts. So I have all those cataloged here. So yeah, it sounds like this power hammer project is not done. So this should be fun. Okay guys, so this is Jeremy Knudson, and this is the part, or the pulley that he welded up. So what all did you do to it?
Well, it kind of cracked like an eggshell, so it broke all the way across here, here, and here, and then cracked on almost every one of the spokes. So basically what we did is took a die grinder, ground out all the cracks to as clean a metal as we could get. Of course, it's cast or pot metal, so anyways, we could get a decent starting spot. And then we started torch heating it, the whole thing. Cast iron is really fickle about cracking, and heating and cooling will pull and tear apart what you already did. So we tacked everything up all the way around, got the pieces placed back in, clamped it in 4 directions so that we could keep it round. And then while adding heat and some elbow grease, we welded the whole thing back together, and I think it's going to work.
Awesome.
Kind of neat to see a nice old trip hammer getting back to it. So
yeah. Alrighty guys, so now that he has been so kind to fix this for me, what I'm going to do is keep it on this table so it doesn't fall off. But I need to, well, I don't need to, but I'd like to just clean this up a little bit. And then also on the inside there is 3 weld beads here, here, and then here. I guess you can't see it, but I need to get those. You can see those now, I guess. I can't see the lens or what it's showing. So I guess we're just gonna take the angle grinder with a flap disc and then do it all we can. So let's start doing that. Okay, so it is seeming like it is very difficult to get these weld beads off. So, Jeremy suggested I get a die grinder, or use a die grinder, but I don't have a die grinder, so I think I'm going to have to buy one. Otherwise, this is going to take absolutely forever with this workshop, because this is a worn belt. I don't have any new ones, so I guess I will find something else to work on until I get a die grinder. Okay, well, I just found another thing that I need to get new parts for. I need 5 new nuts because if you look on the inside, look at the difference in the threading. This is a much tighter thread per inch, whereas this one will screw on. Those ones will not. So now these two are stuck on. These ones I got off. That one appears to also be stuck. So I'm gonna probably have to cut the nut off of each of these and then get new nuts like this. So that's kind of annoying. Alrighty, so it has been a while. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks, I don't actually know, but I am finally going to work on the hammer again. I've been pretty busy. So here's what we're gonna do now. So I got the right size nuts for it. These should, will, oh, I'm screwing it the wrong way. They will screw on. They're locking nuts, so I can't actually screw them all the way on by hand. But, need to put those on. These are the ones that are too small. You can see the threading is much different. So I need to cut these off because I do not have enough room, or I can't get them off, so I have to cut them off. Need to do that. I still need to buy a die grinder, but I think I'm gonna finish this up, the pad, and then that will be the end of today's video. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry I didn't really do anything in this video that much. Nothing serious, that is. Well, I guess I finished the pad. But I figured it would be better to have one short video in a shorter time span as opposed to a longer video in a longer time span, I guess. So, anyways, I hope you will like, comment, subscribe, give this a share. We're getting pretty close to 1,000 followers. No, subscribers. Actually, I am getting close to 1,000 followers on Instagram as well. So go follow me on Instagram. That should be right there. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, share, and like and comment. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.